Good day, Monty McKinnon here. In this next video that you're going to see, you will see where I am scraping off the finish off the top of the guitar, and it's all going to be close-up. So basically in this video, you're going to see my hands on the top of the guitar and what needs to be done. You'll see how I take the measurements, how I set it up, how I glue it, and how I clamp it. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be pretty good. I think you'll like it. We are done with the razor blade. I've sanded in here just a bit. So we've got the position of the bridge. Now we don't need this tape anymore, so let's take this tape off. Again, pulling it very gently across grain and very slowly. So there we have the location of the bridge. Now this bridge here is smaller than what this bridge is, because as you will see, as I place this on here to glue it in place, you won't see anything. It'll all line up. It'll be just a beautiful thing. So we know that it will adhere. I just need to make sure that I've got all the tape off. So what we do now is we take the bridge and we put the bridge back on here, and we're going to tape it in position, because what I'm going to do is get my drill and drill through the top. So let me get those right now. All right, what we're going to do now is we're going to glue the bridge onto the top here. In order to do that, I need to drill the holes through the bass E and the treble E. So I'm going to position this again, and we're going to go through the measurements again to make sure that we've got this thing lined up exactly where we want it. Now I have a 3/16 inch bit in here, which is the size of these holes. Again, very carefully rolling it. This is tedious work, and I'm just about done here, and you'll see there are the holes, and they're perfect. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do something really crazy here. I'm going to put some glue on this, and I'm not going to put too much. I put too much. All right. Does have a tendency to raise itself up from time to time, and if that should happen, I want to have the option to be able to fix it. And if I've used fish glue, then I can fix it, or some braces for underneath the guitar. So let's put this on here like that. that takes care of that side. Now we'll do this side. I'm on tape here. I'm recording. So what is it you need?
Oh, Emily wanted to meet at 12, but I know that's not going to work. So.
Well, it will work. I'm just about done.
Well, I said.
Doing all of that kind of thing. The bridge. Okay, there's some tape on there to protect that edge. Let's put this in here. Well, that's it. It's all glued in place. It's clamped. We've cleaned it off. I used fish glue to make this thing work, and that's in case it should ever lift. I have the opportunity again to re-glue it and put it back in place. What I used on the two E strings that you saw was this little piece of wood, an insert, and a screw in order to hold it down. And I will do a video showing you how I made this, and maybe you've got another jig in your future. You never know. All right, well, that's it. Thank you for joining me. I'm going up for a cup of tea. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.